Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your mobile with your PC via USB cable. So how you can connect your mobile with your PC? First you need to connect your smartphone with USB cable. First you need to connect your smartphone with your USB cable. And here you can see in my mobile, there are three options: transfer photos, transfer files and charge only. If you select first one, transfer photos, you can transfer your photos. Now you can see in here, our internal storage, you can see only photos. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to unplug my USB cable and plug again. And select transfer file, then you can transfer your file from your smartphone to computer. And the third one is charge only. You can use this only for charge your smartphone. So I'm going to select transfer files. Now this time you can see all my file folder in here. So that's how you can easily connect your smartphone with your PC. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.